Good morning, scholars. So you've been doing an awesome job learning about birds and all their different parts. Now we're going to be starting our next unit and diving deeper into two body parts of the birds. But before we get into the story, I want to go over another riddle that we have. So it says, mystery bird body parts. So in this riddle, they're going to be giving us clues about which body parts we're going to talk about. So I want you to listen to all the adjectives that they use to see if you can figure out what body parts we will be talking about. It says, we are birds. We have unique body parts that help us survive. One of our body parts can be soft and fluffy. It can be vibrant and full of color. These parts help some of us fly and others of us float on the water. Another body part of ours can be light or mighty. It can be tiny or massive, straight or curved. They help some of us crush, build, scoop, and pull. What are these special body parts? So I want to go over the first half one more time, and I want you to think about which body part are they describing in the first part. So it says, we have unique body parts that help us survive. One of our body parts can be soft and fluffy. So I want you to think about what body parts we've talked about. What one of them can be soft and fluffy. And it can also be vibrant and full of color. And they also help some of us fly and others of us float on the water. So what body part can be vibrant and full of color, can be fluffy and soft, and can help some of the birds either float or fly? Which body part are they talking about there? They're talking about the feathers, because we talked about how feathers can be full of color and bright. So I want you to now think about what next body part they're talking about. It says, these parts help some of us fly and others of us float on the water, which we just talked about. Another body part of ours can be light or mighty. It can be tiny or massive, straight or curved. They help some of us crush, build, scoop, and pull. So what body part are they talking about here that can be light or mighty, tiny or massive? Massive is a strong adjective, means big. It could be straight or curved, and it helps them crush, build, or scoop and pull. Which body part would they do for that? Which one would they use to scoop, pull, that could be straight or curved? Right, they're talking about the beaks. So in this unit, we're going to dive deeper into what the birds use for their beaks and how they use their feathers as well. So I hope you're ready to get started.